Sam, go get an animal.
Okay.
Which animal do you have? Is it a lion? Roar, that's right, the lion says roar. Can you get another animal?
Yeah. A moose.
Horsey! And what does the horsey say? Yeah, the horsey runs, the horsey says neigh. And what's this one in your other hand?
Bunny.
Yeah, the bunny. And what does the bunny do? Does the bunny go hop? Can you hop?
Bunny.
Bunny. Can you get Mommy another animal?
Yeah. Mouse.
That's a mouse?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sweetie. Dreidel, yes.
What are you doing?
Oh, and a snake? What does the snake say, Sam?
What are you gonna do?
I'm making a movie of Sam talking about the animals.
Can you make a movie of me?
Yes, Sam, you're making like a snake. Yes, I can make a movie of you when I'm all done making a movie of Sam. Or you want to do it together?
No. Yeah, let's do it together.
You want to get an animal to show the camera?
Yeah.
Sam has a frog. What does the frog say?
I have a horse.
And what does the horsey say?
Nay.
Nay. Very good, Jacob. Okay. Can you guys say bye-bye to the camera? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye, camera.
Sammy, can you say bye-bye?
Wait.
What's your name?
Jacob.
No, your name. Sam. Can you say Sam? Yes, and Jacob.
Tag.
Yeah, that's Tad the frog. That's right. Oh, and Jacob has a snake. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.
Sammy, say bye-bye.